As a matter of fact, let's start there and talk about the weather impact alert we have set for San Antonio and the South Texas region. Monday morning, we're starting off the new week with a cold front. Now, this first one, not as powerful as the one later in the week on early Wednesday. Meantime, tomorrow, again, 4 a.m., 10 a.m. for the possibility at seeing a couple of showers that may impact the morning commute. Some of that may be localized heavy rain. Plan ahead, drive safe, be careful, keep a large distance between you and the car in front of you just because the roads will be wet, and that again may result in some slowdowns tomorrow morning. Right now, temperature, not too bad, 78 at Stinson, 77 at the airport. Winds are a little breezy. As a matter of fact, wind gusts have been over 30 to 35 miles an hour occasionally today as we wrapped up the weekend. And notice between, here, Seguin, 30 miles an hour on those wind gusts from the southeast, which is cranking in a lot of moisture and a lot of humidity, which is setting up the stage for some, again, rain tomorrow morning. Meantime, today's highs were warm. Did not feel like November. It was 85 today. Normal is 71 in San Antonio in the middle part of November. So it was above average, to say the least. 87 at Floresville, 90s to our south in George West and Beeville, 92 degrees in the middle of November. Right now, temperatures are very comfortable, 70s out the door. Here is what you can expect. 2 cold fronts, one of which tomorrow morning. That'll spark, again, a couple of showers between 4 a.m. and 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. After lunchtime, it's clear for the rest of the day. And as a matter of fact, the rest of the week. Cold front number 2 drives in early Wednesday, and this will be a reinforcing shot of some cooler air. Meantime, radar not terribly busy. A couple of areas of light rain and some more widespread activity out to the west. But notice, filling in the radar, a couple of light showers that'll increase in coverage through tomorrow morning. And here's an hour-by-hour look at that. And notice by 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, there could be a couple of storms in Kerrville, Fredericksburg, between Kendall County, Bandera County, and some of them may produce gusty winds and some lightning. I think that's the extent of tomorrow morning's weather threat. But by 10 a.m., we are clear. Most of the storms exit and move farther east. And for the rest of your Monday, it's beautiful and breezy with those west-northwest winds up to 25 miles an hour. How much rain? Anywhere south of I-10, maybe 1/100 of an inch around San Antonio, and up north, 1/4 to 1/2 inch at most. And then here comes cold front number 2, drops in early Wednesday. Right now, models are saying highs in the 60s Wednesday and Thursday. And then lows will probably dip down into the 40s, which means it's going to get cold in the overnights. Tonight's forecast, I should say, 68 degrees with some overnight showers. Tomorrow morning starts off damp, but after lunchtime it clears, a high of 75, a lot cooler with a breezy west-northwest wind. Let's take your 14-day forecast. Weather impact alert for Monday morning and Thursday. Reason being for Thursday, lows will drop into the lower 40s, and some areas across the hill country may dip down into the middle to lower 30s. Maybe an isolated freeze across the hill country early Thursday. Otherwise, after tomorrow, rain clears out. Rest of the week is beautiful. Highs in the 60s and 70s, and overnights and mornings stay pretty cold in the 40s.